Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix gamepad or controller not working in Silent Hill F game. So the first method is to restart your PC once. So for that, go to the start icon over here, then click on power, then select restart. So this will restart your system. Once done, check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to update controller drivers. So for that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now go below and expand human interface devices. Here you select your controller and after that click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will update your controller drivers and after that check if you can play the game. If not, next is to enable and disable Steam input. So for that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on controller and here you have to select enable Steam input. After this, launch the game and see if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, again come back and select disable Steam input and after that check if controller is working or not. If not, next solution is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to the Steam under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the game files, now check if the issue is resolved or not. If not, next is to check for game update. So you must check if there is any update available for the game. After updating the game, try to launch the game again and check if it's working. So after going to Steam, select your game and here you will see the update option. As here I am showing you, you will get the update option over here. You simply need to click on update option and after that check if the problem is resolved or not. Next solution is to launch Steam in big picture mode. So for that, go to Steam. Now here at the upper side you need to click on enter big picture mode option. Now after that, select your game over here, whatever game you are trying to play, and after that try to launch the game from here. If it's launching, then you simply need to click on Steam option over here, then click on power, then exit big picture mode. After that, check if the issue is resolved. If not, now the next solution is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. Now here you need to click on check for updates option and it will check if there is any update available. You have to update your Windows to the latest version and then check and try to play the game. Next is to remove controller and add it again. So for that, go to settings, then click on Bluetooth and device. Now remove your controller from here. After that, restart your PC once. So first go to the Windows search. You need to search for settings, then click on Bluetooth and devices and here you will find your controller. After removing from it, restart your system once and again come back settings and Bluetooth device and here you need to click on add a device and after that here you have to select your controller and then check if the problem is resolved or not. If not, next is to install DS4 Windows tool. So for that I have already provided the link in the description. Just copy this link and paste it in your browser. So after the website opens, you need to click on download option over here. After that, go below and from here you have to download the DS4 Windows tool. Once done, now install it and after installing, connect your controller and update it. Once done, launch Silent Hill F game and then check if the issue is resolved or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix gamepad or controller not working in Silent Hill F game on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.